Good morning, student. Today in mathematics we're going to learn about subtraction of time. Okay, subtraction of time. Okay, dear students, these are the units of time. Teacher always say that you must memorize this. If you memorize only, you can do the subtraction and addition and multiplication and division. So please memorize this. Okay, we look at next. This is the title of today's topic, subtraction of time, and then these are the steps you must follow in subtraction of time. The first step, write the unit on the top, then write the numbers in proper place below the units, then write 0 in the empty place. Step number 3, now add or subtract as per the instruction given in the question. Now the first example, look at the first example. These are the first examples. The next slide teacher going to show you the way. Okay, now look at the first example. Okay, the first example, the girl said that she visited both states in 6 days. She takes 6 days to visit two states in 6 days. Now, one of the state is Sarawak. Sarawak is 3 days and 4 hours. அதாவது அவங்க வந்து 6 நாள் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்க. 6 நாள் எடுத்து 2 மாநிலத்தை சுற்றி பார்த்துருக்காங்க. முதல் மாநிலம் வந்து சரவாக், 3 days and 4 hours. Then, now the question is, how long was Nancy take to visit Sabah? Sabah எவ்வளோ? So, 6 days தானே? So, you must do what you know. 6 days minus 3 days, 4 hours. Okay, the total days is 6 days. Then, the first state, 6 days, 4 hours. Now look at the working. So, you write the number sentence, then you write in vertical form, then see, write 6 hour, 0, because 6 days தானே? So, day, hour போட்டுட்டு 6 போட்டு பக்கத்தில் 0 போட்டுக்கணும். Then 3 days, 4 hours. So now you're going to minus. 0 cannot minus 4. So you're going to borrow from your day. Say 1 day, how many hours? 1 day, 24 hours. So you here should be 24 hours. That's why they write 24. So 24 minus 4, you get 20. Then this place 6. You give 1 day to hour, right? So it's become 5. So 5 minus 3, you get 2. So the answer is 2 days and 20 hours. That's it. Okay. Example. Second example. This one. They say 4 days, 2 hours minus 1 day, 16 hours minus 1 day, 9 hours. What? The answer should be in hours. So the formula is 1 day, how many hours? 1 day, 24 hours. You remember the formula, then easy to do this. So, this one you must do step by step. First, you must write day and hour, then write 4 days, 2 hour, 1 day, 16 hour. Now you're going to minus. So, 2 cannot minus 16, so you borrow from day, it's become 24. 24, but here got 2, right? So you 24 plus 2, you get 26. Now 26 minus 16, you get 10. This one you give 1 day to hour, right? So it's become 3. So 3 minus 1, you get 2. So take this one to the top and then minus again with 1 day and 9 hours. So 10 minus 9, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So you will get 1. What you get? You will get 1 day, 1 hour. But the answer they ask for hours. So 1 hour you just keep like that. Just change this day to hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. There they state here. 1 day equal to 24 hours. and then plus this 1 hour become 25 hours. So the answer is here 25 hours. That's it. Okay. Okay, teacher take the laser pointer. Okay, now look here. This is example 3. Okay, next example 3. This is weeks and day. So 1 week, how many days? 7 days. So you remember the formula. 1 week. So teacher write for you here. Hold on. Okay. 1 week. Okay. 1 week equal to 7 days. So remember this formula. Okay. So the question is 5 weeks, 2 days minus 6 days only. They never mention here weeks. Okay. But the answer should be weeks and days. Okay, now. Okay. 5 weeks, 2 days. 2 cannot minus 6. Just write 6 here because days. Here nothing. 0 because no weeks. So cannot. So you're going to borrow from week. So if borrow 1 week from days, it's become convert 1 week to 7 days. So here will come 7. Right? So 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 minus 6. The answer is 3. Then you borrow here, right? So 5 minus 1, you get 4. So put 4 here. So the answer is 4 weeks, 3 days. Okay? That's it. Now this. Example 4. 8 weeks minus 6 weeks, 2 days. Minus 5 days. This one 3, 3 set. So we must do step by step. Okay? Again, teacher remind you, the formula is 1 week, 7 days. So you write down here 8. You write here, please write 0. Then only easy for you to minus. Then 6 week, 2 days. Write down 6 week, 2 days. So this 0 cannot minus 2. So you borrow from the week, it's become 7. Because nothing here, right? So you no need to plus anything. Just borrow. Write down here. So 7 minus 2 become 5. Then just now you give 1 here, right? So week becomes 7 week. So 7 minus 6, 1. Bring here to here, top here. Then again still got 5 days. So put 5 days here. Here you no need to put 0. If you want to put 0 also, no problem. Okay. Then we're going to minus 5 minus 5, 0. Then 1. So 1, but they ask days, so you change this 1 week to the days. So what? 1 week, how many days? 7 days. That's the answer. Okay. Okay, this is a 5th example. 5th. Okay, this one year and month. So the formula is 1 year, how many months? 12 months. Remember that. Okay. Then we're going to minus now. 10 years, 7 months minus 1 year, 9 months. So they ask the answer in year and months. So don't worry. Just write out year, month. Write 10, 7 minus 1 year, 9 months. So you're going to minus now. So of course 7 cannot minus 9. So you're going to borrow from year. So 1 year move to here, it's become 12 because convert 1 year to 12 months. So 12 plus 7, you get 19. So now 19 minus 9, 10. So you borrow here, right? So it's become 9. So 9 minus 1, 8. So 8 year, 10 months. The answer you must note down here. 8 years, 10 months. That's it. This is example number 6. It's decades and years. Okay, children, you recall the formula that teacher taught you, that decades and years, right? So convert 1 decade to 10 years. So 1 decade equal to 10 years. So just remember that formula. So now we're going to do the question. Look here. 20 decades, 3 years, minus 4 years, minus 5 decades, 8 years. Okay? Now we take the question and write in like this. Write decade, year, 20 decade, 3 years, and then 4 years. Here don't have anything. No decade, so don't need to write anything. So 3 cannot minus 4, so we borrow from the decade. If we borrow 1 decade to year, it's become 10 because 1 decade equal to 10 years. Then 10 plus 3 you get 13. Then 13 minus 4 you get 9. Then you borrow here 1, right? So it's become 19. Decade become a 19. So write down 19 down. So take the answer, go to top here, write again decade and year, write this one, 5 decades, 8 years here. Then 9 minus 8, 1, 19 minus 5 get 14. So you must write 14 decade here. That's it. Okay? Okay, now the last examples is a centuries and year. Okay, the formula is 1 century equal to 100 years. That convert 1 century to 100 years. So teacher going to do here. Okay, write century, 1 year here, then 3 century, 20 years. So minus 1 century, 36 years. So teacher going to minus now the year. So 20 cannot minus 36. So we must borrow from the century. So 1 century, if we borrow year means become 100. So 100 plus 20 become 120. So you minus 120, 36, you get 84. Then you borrow here 1, right? So it's become 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is 1 century, 84 years. Okay. Okay, now homework time. Okay. Turn to page in textbook 157 in textbooks and then do for teacher A, B, C, D and E. Okay. I think you understand all the question. Please try it. If you got any doubt, please ask in Google Meet. Okay. Bye-bye.